Good afternoon, business owners. Today we're going to take a look at our AI business startup prompts. These prompts were designed to help you build an online business from scratch. Now, even if you have an online business that you're currently running, using AI can really help you to fix some of the areas that you might be struggling with. So if you're, for example, struggling to generate leads, or you're struggling to have a cohesive look and feel to your website. Or if you don't have a website, it can give you suggestions of things that you can use to start earning money. So a lot of people have websites and they're not really earning money. And so this prompt is really designed for brand new business owners who haven't gained momentum. And it's going to help you to use AI. So if you've been kind of on the hesitant side when it comes to using AI, this is going to be a non-intrusive way for you to start using it and getting answers quickly, right? So I'm going to show you what you're going to get. You can get this guide for free when you head over to makingItRemotely.com, and I will put a link to this somewhere on this page or in the description. So here is the table of contents. You basically have, of course, a welcome. And then we talk about building momentum because that is the entire goal. You don't want to start a business but not finish it. You don't want to get products on a website or start building a website and not finish. The goal is for you to get your products, number one, have business ideas that are feasible, and then you want to get products designed. You want to get those products launched on a platform of some kind, and then you want to start earning money. You want to promote them and market them and start making money. So we talk about building momentum, and then we also get down to the nitty gritty with the prompts. So in this guide, we also give you options. So we know that a lot of people are not really comfortable cutting and pasting. And if you don't want to do that, we have a GPT that will interview you. So if you want to go through that interview, you can sit down, take about maybe a half an hour, depending on how quickly you answer the questions, and you will get a report at the end that you can use to build your business. It's going to walk you through, building a business. And we're going to show you at the end of this video what that report looks like. All right, so in section 1, we're going to connect your interest to income ideas. And that's the really big elephant in the middle of the room for a lot of people because they're struggling. A lot of people struggle to figure out what to sell. And then they beat their head against the wall trying to figure out, is this the right thing to sell? And then once they figure that out, then it kind of goes downhill from there. So if that's been happening with you, you definitely want to get this guide. Section 2 is choose one direction. And this is another problem area that we see where people are all over the place. They have a zillion different, ideas, and they try to pursue all of them at once. We want you to slow down, choose one direction, and no overthinking is allowed, okay? Number 3, we want you to name what you're building. Number 4, we want you to outline your first offer. What are you going to offer to those people that you want to help, right? Section 5 is building a simple business system. So this is really important as well. You want to start out from the very beginning building systems. And systems are great because once you build that system, you are going to be able to tweak it. You're going to be able to make it better. If it's not working, you're going to be able to fix whatever the problems are. And you can use AI to do that, right? Section 6 is about building confidence and reducing freeze. So we know, as we said in the beginning, a lot of people start, but they don't finish. And so this section is to help you overcome that, those voices in your head that tell you, oh, this is stupid, it's not going to work, and, all of that. Number 7, section 7, is a momentum builder. So by this time, you've got your product, you know how you're going to promote it, you have a simple offer, you have a simple system. Now you need to keep that momentum going so that you can promote your product. So you have an optional weekly plan. This is just going to be something really simple that you can use to put on your task list. And when you do this each week, that's going to help you maintain your momentum. Now, at the very end of this, and really we save the best for last, because we give you a video kind of like this from our cell phone where we show you how to use AI to really drill down into your background. So let's say that you have worked in a certain area. You know, maybe your career has spanned like 20 years or 15 years or 10 years or 5 years, and you worked in a certain industry or in a certain area. That experience is worth gold. And so it's going to show you when you go through this part of the guide how to take that information and put it into an AI system and get even more ideas that you can use to earn money. So in this guide, you're going to learn how to use AI. That's a really, in this day and time, learning how to use AI is going to set you apart from people who are either hesitant or afraid or just not willing to learn anything new. So if you're willing to learn something new and something that will help you earn money, this is definitely what you want to do. All right, so all you need to do when you download this guide is I will go through the entire guide. And then if you're interested in using the GPT, I believe the information about the GPT is under prompts for brand new entrepreneurs. So in that section, you're going to find a password, an access code that you can use to gain access to our GPT, and that will interview you, and you can go through that process instead of cutting and pasting the prompts. All right, so that is pretty much it for the guide. Now, I'm going to also show you how you can use I'm going to show you how you can use the output. So hold on just a moment. I'll be right with you. Okay, so this is the output. So when I went through the GPT, I actually went through it myself to kind of test it out. And it asked me for my interests. The interests that I entered into the GPT were writing, organizing, and cooking. And so it helped me come up with a business idea for Family Meals Made Simple. So it gave me the business name, Family Meals Made Simple. And then the goal of this business is to help busy moms create organized meal systems that reduce stress and simplify family dinners. It gave me my audience, of course, and my audience will be busy moms and families who struggle with last-minute dinner decisions, feel overwhelmed by meal planning, want fast and realistic meals, and who need simple organization systems. So it took my interest in organizing, writing, and cooking, and it, kind of came up with this idea. Now, this is not the only idea that it came up with. It came up with this idea, and it gave me a list. And so I chose this. I can't believe that just popped up. I chose the meal planning systems because I thought that would really tie in. It would be something easy that I could do, and it tied in with my background. So for you, you may put in something different, and it's going to come up with something based on you, okay? But I'm just trying to show you basically this is all the information that I got from this GPT, and if I wanted to build this business, this really makes it easy. So again, here's my main business goal. Here is my first product. So my first product, and again, I chose this. It gave me a lot of different ideas, and I chose printable meal planners. So these are my ideas that I can come up with for my first few products. Okay, and then it gave me a brand style. It gave me a marketing plan. So the social media platforms that I chose to use were Pinterest and YouTube. You may choose another social media platform based on your experience with that platform and, the way that certain platforms are organized. For some people, they're going to be a lot easier than for other people. For me, I love using Pinterest and I also like making videos. Here are my beginner keyword ideas. Here's my selling platform. I have Beacons, which is the best platform that I found so far that will allow me to sell products, whether they're digital products, affiliate products. You can even sell print on demand, even though you don't have an interface with your print on demand partner. You would have to go in and enter those orders manually, but you could definitely sell print on demand products using Beacons. You can make videos on Beacons. You can do your podcast on Beacons. So lots of different ways that you can sell products using that platform. And the great thing about it is you don't have to worry about tech overwhelm or having to build a website. You don't have, if you use the free plan, you don't have to worry about monthly fees. So it's a really great platform. I would recommend it to anyone. It also gave me some helpful beginner tools. So since I'm on Pinterest, I'm going to be using that. They recommended Tailwind so that I could auto post. Auto posting is so important. You need some kind of platform or an AI tool that will allow you to auto post. All right. And then there's also email marketing. You don't want to overlook that. You want to be able to build your list. And this is going to give you the first steps. If you have not used email marketing, you can use this free guide, Getting Started with Email Marketing. So then it gives you the steps that you can take to promote your business. Send one email per week. And the kinds of things that you might want to talk about might be meal tips, quick dinner ideas, planner updates, new content announcements. Okay, and then also here is what I can do in the first 24 hours. So I can write down 10 dinner problems busy moms face. And guess what? You can put that into your favorite AI tool and get answers for that question. This week, here's a plan that I can use, an action steps that I can take within 24 hours, and then also steps that I can take this week. These are things that I can put on my to-do list so that I'm doing them consistently, and that is how you really build a successful business. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I don't know why, but I ended up putting this on here twice, so I'm going to have to take that off, but this gives you an idea of the output you're going to get when you go through the business prompts in the guide or when you go through the GPT. You're going to have something that you can use, and all of this is free, okay? So you really can't beat it. I hope you'll take advantage of it. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments, and I'll be glad to get back to you. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.